Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your past trips on the Vrbo app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see your past trips. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Vrbo app. Then in the bottom left-hand corner, click on Trips. And then on the top-hand side, you're going to click on Past. So this is going to show your past trips that you've made on the Vrbo app. So for example, if you click on this trip here, you can see that this is the booking, the dates in which we stayed, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your past trips on the Vrbo app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video.